Good morning, Steve in Chicago with your morning brain calls. I hope everybody had a good weekend. Right now we have a mixed trade with beans up about 3 cents, corn up 2, and wheat's down 7. Outside markets, stocks are about unchanged, waiting for Chairman Powell's comments from the Jackson Hole on Friday. We also see some weakness in the dollar, and crude is also down on concern about China energy demand. This week, we'll be watching the Pro Farmer Tour as they work their way through Midwest corn and soybean fields. They will try to count in a certain area the amount of ears and how long those ears are, how round they are, and come up with a yield based on how wide the row is. In beans, they have a certain area which they count the number of pods, and the markets overnight will try to be a little bit higher because the next 2 weeks the Midwest is going to be warm and dry. It's kind of late in the season to have a big impact on yields, but it could take the top off, especially soybeans, and so I think the market's going to be watching that pretty close. Managed funds are still short soybeans, corn, wheat, and oil, and pretty much reduced their long positions in meal. Globally, we'll be watching for demand for U.S. soybeans, especially out of China, and we also will be watching the corn demand for U.S. exports, given the fact that we are cheaper than Ukraine and also Brazil. Globally, markets are high alert because of the tension between Iran and Israel, and also the unexpected and surprise move by Ukraine into Russian territory, and see what happens there. So economically, we'll be watching to see globally if we go into a recession, although here in the United States, consumer continues to be a buyer, especially of retail goods. The jobs markets are good, but housing starts and housing markets are not good yet because of high interest rates and low inventory. So we'll see what Pro Farmer says this week, and we'll be watching to see what weather impact has on U.S. and Russia yields.